Thousands of large, fresh sharks are arranged to fill the cold sorting area inside a giant, modern seafood processing facility. Long stainless steel conveyors carry the sharks to the automatic sorting tables, illuminated by bright white industrial lights. Dozens of workers in full sterile gear, masks, hairnets, rubber gloves, plastic aprons, and boots check the size, meat quality, and condition of the sharks using modern digital scanners and electronic scales. The industrial concrete floor is covered in crushed ice, cold water flowing into large drainage channels, creating bluish-white reflections from the factory lights.
Ribuan potongan daging ikan hiu segar bergerak cepat di atas konveyor pendingin stainless steel menuju area fillet otomatis di dalam pabrik seafood modern berskala besar.
Mesin pemotong presisi tinggi dengan bilah baja tipis ultra tajam memisahkan daging dari sisa tulang dan jaringan dengan gerakan cepat dan akurat.
Setiap fillet dipotong dalam ukuran seragam menggunakan sensor laser otomatis yang mengatur ketebalan dan panjang potongan secara real-time.
A cinematic tracking shot camera follows a long row of conveyors filled with glistening reddish-white shark meat fillet.
Lengan robot stainless steel mengambil potongan fillet dan menyusunnya secara rapi di tray logam besar yang bergerak menuju ruang pendingan berikutnya.
Pallet 7A. Scan complete. Move to 7B. Container 77 Alpha Mare. Temperature confirmed compliant. Cleared for loading. Berth 2.
A fleet of large industrial trucks carries thousands of processed shark meat products out of the long, white reefer trailers move along the wide, rain-wet industrial road, while cold vapor escapes from their active cooling units.
A cinematic tracking shot follows the convoy moving slowly past the factory's automated logistics gate.
Industrial security gates with digital scanners and large logistics portals check each container using barcode sensors and automated identification systems. Dozens of workers wearing safety vests and sterile gear supervise the shipping process using digital tablets.
While forklifts and small logistics vehicles are seen busy on the side of the road, carrying seafood pallets to other loading areas.
Ultra-detailed close-ups show the large truck wheels splashing thin rainwater, the texture of the refrigerated trailer's metal covered in cold condensation.
In the distance, a major highway to the international export port is visible, with another line of refrigerated. The overall atmosphere is realistic, busy, and futuristic. A world-class industrial documentary.
Keep the pace up. The next shipments need to go to Bay 7. Move those pallets faster. We're behind schedule. Watch out for the forklift. It's clear now.